Say bye. Bye, everyone. Say bye, everyone. Say bye.
Bye-bye, Andy.
Bye, Kois.
Alright.
Alright, go. Shoes on. Hurry up. Say bye to ate, go. Lakad ka. Good job. Go walk. Biglang lumuhod at nag-crab walk. Say bye-bye, everyone. Say bye-bye. Bye. Oh no, he's gonna bite you.
Hindi.
You wanna kiss Indiana? She's giving out kisses. One. Oh. Bye, love.
Bye.
Enjoy. I'll see you later. I'll feed you breakfast. Berkey. D. Wait, your nose. It's okay. I'll do it gently. See, done. Gentle. Ang aga-aga, may tama na oh. May tama na sa forehead. Mag-breakfast ka, magkape si mami, tapos punta tayo grocery, mag-grocery shopping tayo, babe. How's your head? How's that head? Okay. Okay. Gusto ko nang umalis na kasi antok na to. Ang aga-aga nagising, ang tagal-tagal na tulog, my goodness. Alas 12 na kami guys, natulog. Well, siya, alas 12 natulog. Tapos siguro ako mga 12:30 na. Ang aga namin umakyat. Ang aga ko nga napatulog yung dalawa. Kasi pagod sa biyahe, di ba? Ito, grabe ang energy. Kasi tulog siya. Nung biyahe. You finished? Where is your water? Do you want water or milky? Sabi ko sa'yo, yan yung bisyo niya. Mag-open ng mga drawer. O, saan ka pupunta? Close the door. Go, open the door. Hey? You wanna crawl? You wanna practice walking? Where's your walking? Malapit na ako matapos. 8:57. Ano ginagawa niyo dun? Hoy! Dili! Nakalabas na yung bag ko dito, B. What did you do to mommy's bag? It's okay, we're going soon. Maglagay akong, Sipori Scalpy Hair Serum. You like this? Na-plansya ko na yung buhok ko. Nakalimutan ko to. Wait. So, nilalagay ko to every morning. This is available sa YesStyle, guys. Nakakatulong siya na mabawasan yung hair fall. So far, okay naman siya. Pero ginagamit ko siya with my, night serum. Yung night serum ko is yung from L'Oreal, yung Growth Booster. Okay, I'm gonna change you and then we will go. It's okay. Ayoko siyang matulog sa car. Gusto ko siya matulog dun na. Wait. Meron talaga akong bukol dito. Paano tayo nabukol? You want this too? Okay, wait. Wait, sarap nito sa ulo. Yan, this. Alright, I'm just making sure I'm massaging it. Tapos magpapagupit ako. Yan, pagupit ako ng maikli. Alright, here you go. Naglagay lang tayo ng lip tint and tapos na tayo. Ano ba to? This is from Clarins. Lip oil? Uy, ang bango niya na. Very subtle lang. Lagyan natin ng Romand Juicy Lasting Tint Mini. Coco Palm. Ganda nito. Alright, let's go, di. Gamitin natin yung perfume na bigay ni Tita Manay, Ate Holly, and Fam Bam. Kung hindi nyo napanood yung vlog kahapon, bigay ito ni Holly. Siya yung pumili daw nito. Ariana Grande na vanilla ata. Nahanapan ko siya ng space dyan. Pero masikip na sila dyan. Ubusin ko yung iba para meron siyang like maluwag na space. Alright, we're good. Are you good? I'm gonna change you and then we will go. Tara na di. Ang aga natin sa shops, di tayo mag-o-open ng shops. OOTD, magti-t-shirt lang sana ako eh. Kaya lang, malamig. So, I put on this cardigan. This is from Target. Petite ata to or Target lang? Yeah, Petite. And then just a black basic top. And then black jeans. Let's go! Guys, naghihail. Ayan, nakikita nyo, see? Parang maliliit na snow. It's hailing! Nasa grass, wait. Kita ba? Ayan, oh. Ang hail. Here comes the hail.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't. Look in the mirror and find me a window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever.
Dito na kami, guys. Burnside pala tayo kasi umuulan. So, at least dito, covered yung parking. I think tulog na si D. D, are you sleeping? Dito na lang. May space. Yung weather, ewan ko na lang talaga. Umuulan, tapos mainit, tapos biglang like sobrang didilim na foggy. Ay, ito yung dahilan ng mga upo at sipon natin eh. Pista sa langit kasi. Alright, let's go. Didi! Oh my gosh, she's sleeping.
Or just anywhere, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have it. In the halo of the street lights,
Ang sarap ng tulog niya. Didi!
like a rerun, lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know anything at all. How could he ever see the signs if there's none of them around? Part of me wants you to see, part of me hopes that you won't. Look in the mirror to find.
Dito kami sa Tony and Marks. Kunin natin to naka-sale. Ano pa? April 2026. Hello. Gising talaga siya. Nabudol si Mami sa witchery. Ano ba yan? Ang ganda ng kakulayan ng seed, oh. Ay, pasok ba tayong Zara, B? Wala, ayoko, B. Mabubudol tayo dyan, B. Actually, pwede tayong pumasok ng seed. Yung gift card ni Dan, meron pang natira, tas merong seeds. So, let's see. Sana dito muna tayo pumasok da. Hindi kasali yung witchery sa gift card eh. Chinek ko. Sabi ko, ay wala. Bayad kasi. Doon tayo sa taas. Sa kids. Hello. Ang ganda magala-gala kasi walang tao. So kapag pumasok ka ng fitting room, wala kang kalaban. Sa lift, walang kalaban. Ay, dito na kami sa Kohl's. Let's do shopping. Meron silang veggie chips. Masarap ba yan? 35 per kilo. Hindi ko alam kung masarap. Anong meron dyan? Merong pumpkin, beetroot, beans. May nag-iwan talaga ng cart dito. Oh. Ito, i-try ko. Chocolate pretzels para sa kids. Paubos na yung iron ko. Kaya lang hindi ito yung gamit ko. Pwede ba to? Ferro C. Yung gamit ko ngayon, Ferrograd C. Yung parang iron na may vitamin C. Should we try natin? Baka half price. Wala yung brioche buns. Asan na yun? Ay, yung sliders ba? Ito burger. Akalaki naman ito. Wala yung maliliit. Yun yung gusto ng mga bata. Gustong gusto din yun ni Indy. Yung ganito yung na brand. Look at Indy's pram, guys. Full. Tapos yung iba nandito na nakasabit. Galing, 'di ba? It is 12:04. Let's go home. That was a good grocery trip. Not a very good shopping trip. I didn't want to buy anything. I bought stuff. Silly me. But it's okay. Now it's clear and sunny again. Pero kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan. We are home, you guys. Text lang natin si Daddy na napasok ko na yung shopping. Pagdating namin, diretso kami sa taas kasi pinalitan ko to. And Daddy's home. Ay, gata siya. Sabi niya siya magpapasok. Ay, feeling ko na-stuck na naman. So, kinuha ko na lang sa car, no? Ay, no! Di. Alright, I'll give you the bag. Wait, let me take it out. Mommy, take it out. You want coffee? Di. Oh, here, oh. You want coffee? Look. Wow, so cool. Naitlog dito sa ilalim. You don't want coffee? Phonics. So, naka-on yung heater namin. Napaka-init. Naka 40% yung coffee. So, ito yung itatry natin. Gran Crema. Feeling ko masarap naman. Bang-bang. Ito lang yung mga nabili natin, guys. So, meron silang ganito dun sa ano nila, scooping. Hindi siya available sa lahat ng Coles. Kasi tinry ko itong i-order online tapos hindi siya available. But, sana masarap. Chocolate coated pretzels. And then, ito itatry ko kasi spicy daw siya. Spicy chickpea mix. So, yung parang ano natin, ding-dong. Pero, yeah. We'll see. Sana masarap. Ang konti lang ng inano ko, binili ko. $1.98 yan. Sana, daddy? Yeah. So, bumili ako ng mga gulay din. Ayan. Prutas. Diretso ko itong prutas doon, wait. Bumili ako mangga. Season na naman ng mangga, guys. Sa Tony and Marks yan. Bumili ako talong. And then, yung naka-sale nga na, ano, aloe vera drink. $1.99 na lang. Hindi ko lang alam kung, magkano ba original price niyan? Anyway, kinuha ko yung tatlo dun. Ikaw, nag-open ka na naman kung ano-ano dyan, Didi. Didi? Ito yung pinakamabigat. So, syempre, kapag kasama ko si Indy, tas may pram, kailangan magkasya ko lahat sa pram, guys. Yung mga pinagbibili ko. So, ito na pagkasya ko sa pram. Kung iba yung nag-pack nito, hindi nila to makakasya sa yung sa bags na dala ko. I'm pretty sure they will put it in more than 3 bags. Lalo na yung isang bag ko, may laman na yun from Tony and Marks eh. Dinagdagan ko lang siya ng mga nabili ko sa Coles. So, I made sure na ako yung nag-check out para mapagkasya ko siya. Kasi kapag sobrang dami kong bags, hindi ko na madadala, guys, lahat. Again, kailangan ko siya mapagkasya sa pram ni Indy. So, ito lahat na pagkasya ko sa pram ni Indy. May nappy pa ako. Bumili ako ng isang malaking nappy for Arlo. Uy, Indy, ano na pinagagawa mo, Indy? Bumili tayo chips. Ito, bumili ako 15 yogurts. So, nandito yung mga yogurt ko. Yun ko lang yung nalagyan ng yogurt natin para diretso na siya doon. Wait, sa ipaglagay ko lang tubi din. Ay, bumili ako nito. Ang tagal na namin, ilang buwan na kaming walang stock nito. Kasi ayoko mag-stock ng ganyan. But, yeah. Let me just put this away para... Are you okay? Mama. Mili akong chops for daddy. Minced pork. Feeling ko meron akong minced pork eh. Pero, I got that. Gusto kong, hindi pa din natutuloy yung siomai ko, guys. Hindi ko ma-insert ang pagluto ko ng siomai. And, look at this. Bumili ako ng probiotic drink na yung original na flavor. Yung blueberry, ayaw ng mga bata. Kahit ni Arlo, ayaw niya. So, ako iinom nun. And then milk. Yun lang. Ang dami pa naman binili ni Dan. Pero hindi to. Ayaw ng mga bata. Iba yung lasa kasi. Kahit yung sa Costco na parang strawberry flavor ata yun na probiotic, ayaw din yun ng kids. Gusto nila yung original lang talaga. So, ako iinom nito araw-araw. Isa araw-araw. Kailan pa natin yan mauubos. in that bin? That's 10 cents. Silly Billy. My kids are home.
And look at this, guys.
Look at that, guys. What's that for?
Thank you.
Thank you, Arlo.
Yeah, Tom.
You made this for Mama? Oh, mate. I love it.
It won't take off for a long time.
I won't take it off.
I'll stick.
What are you doing?
It's stuff on stick that.
Yeah, I know. I know how to take it off. Do you want me to take it off?
You can still wear it.
Yeah, I'll wear it. Thank you.
Yeah, Tom.
Aww, my boy. How was school?
Dad?
Good. How was school, ate? Good. I've got your costume for end of year concert. Wanna check it?
Can I see?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Is there toys inside, Mama?
No, there's no toys. Let's check. This is for you and Leona. Whoa. Look. You got wings.
My favorite.
Try it.
That was for Liana.
Yeah, I got two.
Mama, I want one.
That's for your head.
That's for my head. And that's for me.
Yeah, and this is for
I
Leona.
want to get the one, Mama.
That's untied.
I want one too, Mama.
Yeah, just wait, Arlo. This one's for Leona. That's for your head.
It's not funny. I want one. What is in there?
I'm not sure we'll see.
I want one, Mama.
That's for you, baby.
I want more. Wait, we don't share.
Let's see.
Mom, can you open this?
Oh, here it is, baby. Here. The ears. Try it on. We'll give Liana one and one for you. Maybe you'll do the longest one, longest ear. You want one, Arlo?
No.
You don't want ears?
No, I don't want
Isla, look.
ears. I want a better
Ooh.
one. See? I want a police officer, Mom.
You want a police officer one? Why did I order two different ones? Yeah, they're the same. And this is your skirt. You're wearing this skirt. Oh, beautiful.
Mom, is there two?
Just one.
But I thought we don't need battery with Liana.
They said they have it already. Try. Yeah.
I want one. I want a piece of... Mama, buy me a piece of steak. Don't keep it. They wouldn't take.
Beautiful.
Shake.
Nice.
Shake.
And then the top. Let's see the top. You're wearing this. Hopefully this fits.
That does fit.
Try. It's for 5 years old. Let's try.
No, big eyes.
Well, I can edit it, you know. Looks pretty.
My baby does. And Mama, can I say they did?
Yeah.
My baby.
We need to tighten it, so I'll tighten it on the day. Nice.
Baby. Mama, I'm almost whistle.
So,
I almost whistle, Mama.
really? Alright,
Yeah.
let's try this, Isla.
I need this stuff.
Let's see if this one. Let's see if this one's better. Come in. Alright, look. You like it?
No, I don't.
You like the other one better? Oh my gosh, you guys. I need to cook dinner. It's 4:53. Ang tagal ko nakastart kasi hindi umiiyak. So, kailangan ko siya ipasa kay Dan kasi ayaw niya magpababa talaga. So, now naririnig ko umiiyak siya. So, nasa-stress ako. And si Ayla, kailangan kong turuan itong maliit na booklet kasi bukas yung reading niya. Dapat kasi, natanggap niya yan Thursday. Umabsent nung Thursday. Kasi may sipon siya. Tapos nung Friday din, umabsent din siya. So, hindi niya nakuha. Ngayon niya lang yan ipapractice. Tas reading na niya bukas. Magluluto ako arroz caldo. Come on, point to the words. The ones you can't read, tell us. You can read most of it. So just the ones you can't read, tell me which one. Ito na yung arroz caldo ni Danny Boy and sa kids. Yung kay Indy nasa fridge pa. Galing din to sa fridge but see, sobrang ano pa din, init. Still steamy. But that's ready. Do you want the
I
white?
don't want some more egg.
You don't want more egg? That's
I think
okay.
you should have more white egg.
Do you want the white? Did you give Daddy your yellow? Alright. There's more eggs there. I can give her more.
Oh, sorry.
What do you say to Dada? Day wants more, Daddy, please. You want eggs too, D? Arlo, careful. Eat your food. And here's mine. Good eating, ate. Yummy? Wala sa mood si Didi. May palabas na namang ipin.
Spell killer.
Killer?
I.
Yeah.
Kia.
L-I-A killer.
You spell T, Ali?
That's good. Chicken's good, guys.
Yeah. Mom took this all day, Mama.
Oh, do you want me to cook this all day?
Yeah, put it.
You like it,
in the
Anna?
lunch box.
It's hard to put in the lunchbox.
You're not eating.
Put it in my lunch box, Mama. Then what I want, like two.
Careful with the ginger, my love. I made it big. Like this.
Yeah.
Flat, yeah. It's good for this weather.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's good for us.
It's good for you. Yeah. Is it still hot?
Because
How
I
is
have
it?
a cough.
Oh,
Because I have a cough, I don't really know.
me too.
Yeah, everyone's got cough and runny nose.
Daddy has a headache.
Mm-hmm.
And it's low cough. It's your fault. Mix the cut. I'm feeding him this.
Oh. Yummy?
Get a bit more in this.
Just one at a time, one at a time.
Silly, guys. Okay, Alo, enough. She's got her own food. Eat yours. Daddy's got her. Eat your food, Alo, please.
I'm cutting down the
I like yours, babe.
legs. Stone them. Now this is better. See, like here, like this. Egg. Like,
Yep. Yum.
I want eggs. That doesn't make eggs.
You want the white, Alo?
Yeah, the white. Give me the white. Give me the white.
Come on, finish it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's very creepy and wet, but I like it. I like it too. Right, well we need to do that. I like it. Yeah. It's a little bit yucky and I like it, Mama.
Isn't it?
I love it. I love it too. I want more.
Finish it first. I'll give you more after.
Mommy, I got an egg. I'm eating like a chicken.
Is it?
Walk, walk. It is. It's hard. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. You want to eat it? Walk, walk. I'm going to eat an eggshell. Walk, walk.